Hey guys, wanna know how to easily block calls on WhatsApp? Let me show you how easy it is, so follow along this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's get started. First off, open WhatsApp on your device and you will basically land on the chats page. So from here, open the conversation with the person you wish to block, and now when enter, just click on their username at the top. So then you'll enter the contact info settings, just scroll down to the bottom and select the block option. And in the confirmation pop-up, select the block option again. Now guys, let's manage the calls from unknown numbers. So to do this, just come back to the chats page, and from there we will have to open the settings. So the way to the settings could be different depending on the device. Either it's an iPhone or an Android, but anyways, I'll just tap that gear icon at the bottom right. So you will land on the settings page, and when there, just scroll down a bit and click on this lock option right here under the account one. And when inside the privacy settings, simply scroll down again and tap on the calls section. Here, simply enable the silent unknown callers, and that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.